Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss about assignment operator in C language. The symbol used for assignment operator is equal to. There is a rule for assignment operator like L equal to R. We are going to assign the right hand side value to the left hand side. At left hand side, it should be only variables. At right side, it can be a variable or value, or you can take any expression also. Let me give few examples for this. A equal to 10. This is also valid assignment. At left side, it should be only variable. At right hand side, it can be variable, value or expression. So A equal to 10, this is valid assignment. Let me give another example. A equal to B. This is also valid. Left side it is variable and right hand side it can be anything like variable, value, expression. C equal to A plus B. We can take expression also, no problem. Let me give another example. 10 equal to A. This is invalid assignment. Why? Because at left side it should be variable, but I have assigned a constant. I am taking swapping of two numbers program to explain this assignment operator. Swapping of two numbers. Let us see this practically. I am declaring the variables like int a comma b comma c. I'm assigning values directly like a equal to 10, b equal to 2, comma. For swapping purpose, I'm going to take another variable like c. Let me print these values before swapping. So I'm taking printf function. Before swap, let me print the values. For swapping, I'm going to write the logic as c equal to a equal to b, and b equal to c. Let me print after swapping. Let us run this code now. You can observe the output here. Before swap, the value of a equal to 10 and b equal to 2. After swapping, a equal to 2 and b equal to 10. Let me show you with an example. Consider the memory location, 3 memory locations here. The name of the memory location is A, and the value stored in it initially is 10. Consider this as B, and the value stored in it is 2. And the name of the memory location is C. So the first instruction is C equal to A. The value of A will be copied to C. So 10 will be stored in the memory location called C. Next instruction is A equal to B. The value of B will be assigned to A. Next, B equal to C. The value of C will be assigned to B. So the initial values are 10 and 2, but after swapping, the values are 2 and then 10. This is about assignment operator. Let me copy this for your reference. Thank you, friends.